Hello everyone, welcome to my Violet Parr cosplay tutorial. Violet is actually my first superhero cosplay and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's easy and comfortable and definitely nostalgic. For the makeup, start by putting in a pair of violet circle lenses. Then use a neutral colored eyeliner pencil to map out the size and shape of your mask. You don't have to conceal your eyebrows for this, but I do recommend using a reference photo. Carefully outline the shape, then fill in your mask completely. Here I'm using black water-activated body paint, but you can also use black gel eyeliner. If you're using body paint, let each layer dry completely before adding more. Then pack on a generous amount of matte black eyeshadow to set the mask and even out the color. Use concealer or foundation on a flat brush to carefully clean up the edge. Prime the rest of your face. I probably should have done this step before the foundation, oops. Then apply a full coverage foundation with a matte finish. You can also double up or use concealer over areas where more coverage is needed. Use a cream contour stick around your nose, then carefully blend it out. Create a sheer wash of color by applying a coral liquid lipstick or lip tint to your lips, then blend it out with your finger. Apply the same product to the apples of your cheeks, then carefully blend it out. Use a tiny amount on your nose to create a flushed look. Then set everything in place with powder. Tightline with black eyeliner and use white eyeliner to brighten up the waterline. Then apply black mascara to your top and bottom lashes. You can either double up on product or apply false lashes to enhance the look. Finish with a setting spray. Here I'm using Arta Wig's Buttercup Classic in dark purple. Not only is the color and length perfect, but this wig already comes with a side part. Connect the adjustment straps to keep your wig in place. Then gently comb through the hair. Spray a conditioning heat protectant. Then, working in small sections, use a flat iron to straighten the hair. Once you put the wig on, position it so that the parting is slightly further down your head. Using the parting as a guide, separate two small sections of hair at the front, then tie off the rest to keep it out of the way. Wrap the hair around your head, then secure with an elastic. Use bobby pins to hold everything in place, then release the rest of the hair. Lastly, add an orange headband just behind the parting. For an easy, cost-effective suit, I purchased this one off of Amazon. As for shoes, Violet has a small heel, but you can wear flats or whatever makes you more comfortable, just as long as they're black so they blend in with the suit. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Until next time, please take care and stay well.